The moment that I got in here, there was like, my roommate just showed me around the whole school, and then a lot of people came, and like it was really good. I take visual arts, French, English, and international business, and I love those courses.
Hello, my name is Jacob Meroquin. I'm in 11th grade here at Fulford Academy. I'm from Mexico City. Ever since I came here at Fulford, I have been very excited to meet new friends from other countries like Switzerland, China. The sports here in Fulford Academy are very complete. They have all range of sports, but the ones I'm doing right now is the curling and the basketball. The teachers here at Fulford Academy, I think they're very focused on the students they have. It's like a family community. The dorm here in Fulford Academy, I think is very organized. All the time there's supervision to see what the children are doing, and I really like that. What I want to study after high school, I want to be an aerospace engineer. I really like that since I was so little.
Hi, my name is Farron. I'm from Canada, and my favorite part about Fulford is that it feels like a family.
Hi, I'm Vince. I'm a day student. I live in Canada, and my favorite thing about Fulford is the small class sizes and the personalized learning you get and the close relations you can have with your teachers.
So the thing I like about Fulford is that I get to meet a lot of different kinds of people and get to know them better, get to know their cultures and cultures. In this school, everyone is a family, so I really appreciate that.
Welcome to Fulford Academy.